Okay, Children's Island. This is one I have not been to yet. And what I'm being told is the reason why they call it Children's Island is because the water is nice and shallow all the time. So kids can come over here and swim. Oh wow. So, did everybody just walk through here?
Yeah. It's so nice.
Oh, that was fast.
It's warm.
Alright, so we're waiting. Yep, I watch my head. I've already racked my head once or twice today. Once I did. I know for sure. Back over there. One of those islands. Oh yeah. Children's Island. Pretty cool. All right, there's something out here. What is it?
There's a jellyfish.
Well, we don't want to mess with no jellyfish, do we?
Yeah, over there.
Okay, once again, we're out here at Children's Island. What is it?
Jellyfish.
I guess there's a jellyfish out here. Oh, I see him. Wait. Yep, I see him, I think. All right. That's pretty nice out here.
Oh, punta na tayo sa Children's Paradise.
34.
All right, let's go take a look at this place. Children's Island. All right, they're all down there swimming, having a great old time. Me, I'm gonna go snoop around. Look like vendors, huh? Okay, some little gazebos. Let's go walk over there and see what's up in this area. First, let's take a peek over here. Looks like an old dock. That's exactly what it is. And there's Pilgrimage Island over there. Alright, I said I wasn't going to do any more stair climbing. Holy crap. That's exactly what I'm doing. More stair climbing. Oh. Oh, man. Nobody up here but us cats. Yeah. I'll leave you alone. Oh, that's pretty cool. Woo! Not a whole lot going on around here. Pretty quiet. Alright, seen enough. Okay, one more little area of interest I'll check out. Or what seems to be interesting. Oh, okay. Little lookout. And then up here they have bathrooms you can use. I've drank all kinds of water, a couple of Cokes, and I haven't had to go to the bathroom at all. I've sweat everything out. So, okay. Here's looking up from above. There they are. There they are! BBM. Listen to that. That's pretty nice up here. All right, let's head back. I think that'll conclude Children's Island for the video anyways. We'll do something different here next time. Before I leave though, leave this video, let's take a quick peek around. Boy, it's just nice. It's really nice. And then again, you can't see it, but over on the other side is, well, maybe we can see it. Over on the other side is Pilgrimage Island. That was the first one we went to. Over there. And then we were over there at Governor's Island. Kind of circled around over here to Quezon Island. And then came in here to Children's. I'm pretty well burnt. It's almost 3, probably is 3. And we've been at it since 9, 10 this morning. So I think I've pretty much had enough after this. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. This is Children's Island, and we are signing off. Take care. All right, bye-bye.